The first cities ever built in human history emerged in ancient Mesopotamia, where communities began to settle, paving the way for civilization as we know it. Uruk, known as one of the world's first major cities, exemplified advancements in architecture and governance, marking a significant turning point for society. Mohenjo-Daro, another remarkable early city, showcased advanced urban planning and a sophisticated water management system, illustrating the ingenuity of the Indus Valley civilization. Teotihuacan, known for its monumental architecture and vibrant culture, became a major urban center in Mesoamerica, influencing countless civilizations that followed. Ancient Athens emerged as a cradle of democracy, where philosophical thought flourished, shaping the foundation of Western civilization in remarkable ways. Carthage, known for its powerful navy and trade networks, became a dominant force in the Mediterranean, influencing commerce and culture across distant lands. Pompeii, frozen in time by the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius, offers a unique glimpse into the daily life of Romans at their peak, preserving culture and history. The Parthenon, a masterpiece of classical architecture, stands as a monument to the achievements of ancient Greece, reflecting the values of beauty, harmony, and democracy. Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world, showcases the ingenuity of Khmer civilization, epitomizing their deep spiritual connection and artistic prowess. The Great Wall of China, a monumental feat of engineering, represents the strength and determination of a civilization to protect its people and culture from invaders. The Colosseum, an iconic symbol of ancient Rome, stands as a testament to the empire's architectural brilliance and the cultural significance of public spectacles in society. Machu Picchu, an extraordinary Incan citadel set amidst breathtaking landscapes, remains a monumental representation of engineering and spiritual significance in the Andes. The Hagia Sophia, once a cathedral and later a mosque, embodies centuries of cultural evolution, representing the architectural marvels of both Christianity and Islam. Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument shrouded in mystery, continues to captivate the imagination as a symbol of ancient rituals and the astronomical knowledge of early civilizations. Petra, the lost city of stone, reveals the remarkable architectural achievements and trading prowess of the Nabateans, captivating visitors with its breathtaking beauty and historical significance. The Pyramids of Giza, monumental tombs built for pharaohs, stand as enduring symbols of ancient Egypt's architectural ingenuity and their beliefs in the afterlife. The Acropolis, an iconic symbol of ancient Greece, reflects the ideals of democracy, philosophy, and art, echoing the profound legacy that shaped Western civilization. Tikal, a magnificent city of the Maya, offers a glimpse into the advanced society that thrived in the rainforest, marked by significant achievements in architecture, art, and astronomy. Pompeii, buried under volcanic ash, provides an unparalleled insight into Roman life, preserving art and architecture in a remarkable time capsule of history. Machu Picchu, the iconic Incan citadel, stands as a testament to the remarkable engineering and cultural richness of the Inca Empire, captivating explorers with its breathtaking scenery and historical significance. The Colosseum, an enduring symbol of ancient Rome, represents the architectural marvels and the complex social dynamics of a civilization known for its gladiatorial games and public spectacles. Angkor Wat, a sprawling temple complex, symbolizes the grandeur of the Khmer Empire and remains a significant cultural and spiritual landmark in Southeast Asia. The Great Wall of China, an extraordinary feat of engineering, embodies the enduring spirit and determination of a civilization that sought to protect its people and territory through the ages. The Taj Mahal, an iconic mausoleum, stands as a timeless symbol of love and devotion, representing the artistic achievements of the Mughal Empire and captivating hearts around the world. Stonehenge, an enigmatic stone circle, continues to intrigue scholars and visitors alike with its alignment and purpose, serving as a reminder of humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. The Pyramids of Giza, towering relics of ancient Egypt, represent not only architectural prowess but also the rich spiritual and cultural heritage that continues to captivate the world. The Acropolis, a symbol of classical architecture and democracy, stands as a reminder of the profound impact of ancient Greece on modern culture and thought. The Cliffs of Moher, towering majestically over the Atlantic Ocean, evoke a sense of wonder and serve as both a natural marvel and a testament to Ireland's breathtaking landscapes. The Grand Canyon, A stunning testament to the power of nature offers visitors a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past through its breathtaking landscapes and unique geological features. Mount Fuji, an iconic symbol of Japan, captivates with its majestic presence, while the cherry blossoms remind us of the transient beauty found in nature and life. The Northern Lights, a breathtaking natural phenomenon, enchant all who witness their colorful display, highlighting the wonders of our planet and the mysteries of the cosmos.